Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use macros in Anime Vanguard TinyTask. First, open TinyTask and ensure it's running as an administrator to capture all your actions accurately. This powerful tool records your mouse clicks and keyboard inputs, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks within the game. It's perfect for streamlining grinding or performing sequences that require precise timing. Let's dive into setting up your first macro. To record your first macro, simply click the Rec button in TinyTask. Now, switch to Anime Vanguard and perform the exact sequence of actions you want to automate. Be precise with your clicks and key presses. Once you've completed the sequence, return to TinyTask and click the Stop button. Your actions are now saved as a macro, ready for playback. After recording, you can play your macro by clicking the Play button. Watch as TinyTask replicates your actions perfectly. You can also adjust the playback speed and set the macro to repeat a specific number of times or continuously. Don't forget to save your macro as a rec file, giving it a descriptive name so you can easily find and use it again later. For more advanced use, you can edit your recorded macros to fine-tune timings or remove any accidental clicks. TinyTask also allows you to set custom hotkeys for quick recording and playback, letting you control macros without even opening the application window. Remember to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals. Mastering these tips will significantly enhance your Anime Vanguard experience, making your gameplay much more efficient and enjoyable.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.